Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can find templates for your Wix sites. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in the dashboard for one of my sites. I edited the coupons for a previous tutorial, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my site and click Create New Site. This will open up the site creation page, and first it's gonna offer me to start either from a blank canvas or from a template. This is for Wix Studio. If you have the standard Wix, you might be prompted to create one with AI if you so chose, but for Wix Studio, you just click start from a template. And as you can see, you have a couple of different templates. You have the blank canvas, you have the AI tech company, etc. You have different categories which you can search for, different types, different industries. For example, I'll select business. And as you can see, you have a couple of very good templates which are officially created by Wix, which you can use to enhance your site. Now, you can go into whichever template you want. For example, I'll go into this one. You can click a view to see what it would look like, just like so. And if you find the template satisfactory, you can also choose the view of the site like so or like so. This one is for mobile, this one is for I don't know what, probably tablets, and this is for the desktop, and you can just go through them and see if you like them. Now, if you like them, you can just click edit right over here, and as you can see, it's gonna create an edit template, and once it loads up, it'll be added to my site, and that'll be the official template for my site going forward. Now, as far as I know, you cannot replace templates once you already create a site, so you're gonna need to go ahead and create a new site. But for now, this is what you need to do, and it is loading very, very slowly. I do apologize for that, but it will be done whenever it happens. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.